Welcome back to Peek Before You Sleep, and here we are staying at Coronado Springs at the Walt Disney World Resort in Orlando. Starting with a couple of views of the resort itself because it was such a well-maintained and attractive property. Before we head up to the room, we checked in late, so a little bit dark, but here we are. Let's jump inside and have a look. So we'll start here with the bedroom. We were in the standard view location within the village part of the resort, a room with 2 queen beds, and then we'll quickly look at the specifics of that space. So you've got a coffee machine with several pods, takeaway cups, and a mini fridge to keep anything cool. The desk space has got quite a lot of plugs and charging spaces, the Disney version of the Alexa that you can interact with, as well as 6 drawers underneath, which we found really helpful for keeping a lot of our clothing out of the way. And as we leave those drawers and we move around to the right, we actually find the wardrobe hidden within the bathroom area. It's not bad actually, the size of this wardrobe, and it's nice that it is that little bit tucked away. You've got the double doors to all open up and have a look. There's actually quite a lot of hangers here, so we could keep a lot of our stuff hung up to avoid it getting all creased. So for the size of the wardrobe, a reasonable amount of hanging space. There is an iron if you need it, and a rack for your suitcase. So quite a good use of that space, and then some additional shelving and a small double cupboard that sits to the left of the bathroom space. And speaking of the bathroom, let's have a look at that next. It will start with a quick look at some of the toiletries that you get included. There is some mouthwash, which is a nice touch alongside a little vanity kit, and then we always love a bathroom with 2 sinks so we can keep our stuff separate and give you that space when you are getting ready. Underneath each of the sinks there's more space to hide some stuff away. You find your hairdryer under here, but note, there is no funnel. So if you need a funnel, I would suggest packing it yourself. There's a little bar soap, and then liquid hand soap and hand lotion as well. We'll quickly look back at the bedroom so you get a sense of perspective. Before this shut-off area that has the bath, which has the shower overhead, and the toilet, so you can close that away as well. The products at Disney are the same everywhere, so the liquid body wash, shampoo and conditioner, and then lots of towels as you get your housekeeping every other day during a stay. And as we leave the bathroom, you can see here, you can close it off with the double sliding doors and then turn back round and we'll be in the main bedroom. The 2 queen beds in this room, they were quite comfortable, and you've got the nice decoration that makes it feel nice and Disney-fied. Between the 2 beds, you've got the 1 bedside table that you share. And within that, you've got the 1 drawer that you've just seen and the safe underneath. At first, I actually thought this was going to be a huge safe, but it turns out it's just not very deep. So it stood on its end compared to how you might normally see them. You've got charging spaces and plug sockets above the bedside table, which were perfect for the 2 of us in a bed each. Underneath the beds, space for a suitcase. And then the best bit, normally at least, is the view out the hotel window. Now I'll be honest, the resort as a whole does look incredible. We were looking out over the car park because we hadn't upgraded the room for a better view, but on the whole the resort really was stunning. We'd recommend a stay at Coronado Springs, and we hope that this video has been helpful when planning your next holiday. If so, like and subscribe so that you never miss another hotel room tour from Peek Before You Sleep.